I filmed a video yesterday and edited as quickly as possible as usual. Then when I clicked upload, the market instantly tanked. What the hell? It couldn't just be a coincidence. What have I done? Bitcoin in red kind of reminded me of the bad times. Poor Uncle Ben. Now, I'm almost at the point of completely abandoning reason with this market. We had some great news for Bitcoin yesterday, more SegWit adoption from the biggest players. This is permanently going to put a dent in the ability for Bitcoin to rise sky high in fees. Not impossible, but making it harder than it's previously been lately. We have world governments discussing Bitcoin, not in a negative way either, and yet we crash. Now, I'm aware that the more technical analysis analyzers among you wouldn't be so surprised, but even with analysts, it's usually a 50-50. If we go over set price, we're going to hit that price, or if we go under set price, we're going to go to that price. So, for example, for Bitcoin, the next support level is 10K. If we fall below that, the next is 9. If we fall below that, then it's 7. This isn't financial advice, by the way. Who knows? But here's a comment from someone who believes they do. Risk assets are correlated. Equity markets closed down last week, hence crypto went down then. Money is de-risking. A few examples of this relationship. The Dow's worst day this year, dropping 1,000 points on February 5th, coincides with the market falling. So what the poster is saying is that if you're looking at crypto and only crypto, then you're going to get blindsided by external factors, and that you should take a look at the market as a whole. But for those technical analyzers among us, there are a few of you. Here is a post. I'll leave this below. Some good stuff. Lots of falls. Monero actually being one of the more resilient today. And Nano. Funnily enough, Nano. So we discussed it yesterday. It kind of looked like a good entry point, but it was still very risky. Well done if you went in. I think this was as high as 20% earlier today. I don't imagine it can continue to grow in a market that is crashing. I don't imagine Monero can either, but very positive to see. Lisk has a new logo. Wow. Actually, the rebrand is complete. Site and products look sleek, but why did it go down? Well, people bought Lisk previously wanting to sell the rebrand, on the hype of the rebrand. So never underestimate the greed that fuels this market. Absolutely, I believe, my personal opinion, hype marketing way more important than fundamentals in tech, although they are important to the hype machine. Now, Ripple, not to be outpaced by its technologically advancing competition, is coming out with 2 new technical white papers. The move comes amidst growing competition in the markets. In interview, Thomas, I'll leave this link below, sought to stress how the papers open up the possibility of further building a network around the tech, one that might be key now that traders are buying in. Yeah, traders have been buying in for a while. And if you thought Ripple was bad, you ain't seen nothing yet. I haven't been keen to cover this, but I think it's been in the pipeline since at least December. Venezuela and their ICO. Yeah, I know. Apparently, unsubstantiated reports are saying Venezuela earned $735 million in the first day of pre-sales for their ICO. The president, obviously ecstatic, saying he's created the Superman of cryptocurrency. Today, a cryptocurrency is being born that can take on Superman. I think Superman would disagree. So what's up with this currency? Why are people buying it? So apparently each coin is backed by a certain amount of oil. Whether or not you could trade a crypto coin for oil. But what's the point in buying a cryptocurrency from a centralized government? Isn't that just essentially digital fiat, which we already have in credit? Yeah, I can understand those criticisms, but also let's wait and see. Potentially a nation embracing crypto like this could be a good thing long run. It might not be. We have a news article here discussing what Venezuelans think of the move. And spoiler alert, they are divided. Some Twitter stuff here. I'll link it below when it finally loads. There we go. Yeah, essentially the point is no one is sure how these are going to play out and or what it means for cryptocurrency in general. If you have avoided cryptocurrency buying in January and you are now embracing the market, looking at what to take up, which coin to get into, you would remind me of this dog. I'm going to end this video now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I don't actually ever say that because it feels hollow. But yeah. Now that makes me feel like a YouTuber.